When you work with words in Python, it lets you, it doesn't let you do any maths on words, obviously. It doesn't know how to add J to F or anything like that if they're not variables. But it does let you work with text and split words up or find characters within sets of words or strings, or cut them up or change them in different ways. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples, or a few examples, of programs using strings. Just make this visible. Note that I've commented out the other bit, so at the moment all that will happen is it puts a string, and we know it's a string because it's got the quotes around it, into a variable called A, and then we've got print A, but not all of A. Let's run this and see what it does. Okay, confusingly for you, what it's doing is it's printing the number 1 character, but remember computers count from 0. So that would be character 0, that's character 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I ask it to print character 4, and you should follow this along, it should become O. Okay, if I ask it to print character 0, it should be the first character. Okay. It can also print groups of characters. So here it's going to put B as hello world. Variable B is going to have the string hello world, and it's going to go from character 2 to 5. So it's 0, 1, 2. So L will be 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm predicting it will be L to comma. Let's see. Oh, 2. So it's asking it to go up to 5, so it's not included the comma. So up to but not including 5, and this is where it would be really interesting to play with this to get those values that you want. So if I want world without the exclamation, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm just guessing here that this should make that work. No. So what you need to do, oh, of course it would be one more then. Practice, try those out. 2 other really useful things for you to do, could be useful, are for you to, that will tell you the length of a string, len, A, tells you the length. And the last one, this is one that you will be seeing in an example that you'll get shortly, upper. What that does, it converts that to upper, and the other option there is lower. So it says print A, it has its upper, or in this case has its lower case. Okay, so that's quite worth using.